Hey composers, do you wish you could cook rich orchestral textures like John Williams did in Harry Potter? Today I'm sharing this simple 5-step recipe to cook up a particular texture from Harry's Wondrous world, one that I've labelled Harry's Noble Horns. So before we dive in, let's give this texture a taste. So as you just heard, the texture has a full and noble flavour. So if you like the taste, let's dive in and learn how to recreate it. To produce that noble flavour, you'll want to assign the melody to 4 horns, and you want them to play in unison in this octave range just above middle C. You'll also want to add some soft momentum, so here add rhythmic repeating chords to the mid woodwinds. Here you'll have 3 voices in closed position, bassoon on the bottom note, clarinet on the middle note, and then another clarinet doubled with English horn on the top note. These guys will play in the same range as the horns without creating any issues. They'll maintain separation through their differences in note lengths and tone color. The texture will also need a bit of flow, so arrange some arpeggios for the cellos. Here, these will cover the entirety of the bass clef sitting below the melody. Now, you'll notice that the cellos and the winds are a little bit disconnected in terms of range, so let's connect them with some glue. Here, add a 2-note sustained chord to violas, and here you'll see that their range now overlaps with the layer above and the layer below, helping just to bake all these layers of the texture together. You'll also notice that there's quite a lot of free space above the melody, so we can fill that in with some simple sustains in violins. Violin section 1 and 2 will play in unison and voice just a single note of the harmony. So there you have it. That's our 5-step recipe to recreate this texture that I've labelled Harry's Noble Horns. To consolidate everything we've just learnt, let's give the texture another listen. If you're still watching and you're hungry for more, here's another orchestration recipe. If you have any textures you want to see me break down in the future, please leave those in the comments. I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.